Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view private account on Instagram. As you know what a private account is, but if you don't, then let me show you what kind it shows to us. So it's if you go to account like it, and if it shows this option, the account is private, then you'll get to know that the profile or the account owner has made his or her account private. So if you want to see the account, there might be several options. There might be several situations that in those you can see that account. So such as if it's your account and you made it private, you can't log back in, then you might go to Instagram Help Center like this and go to Help Center and report them this problem. You can also change your password using email. But if it's not your account, then by the encryption policy of Instagram, you must give a follow request to that person. And if that account accepts, then you will be able to see the profile of them. So this is the only policy that you can use. And if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in us.